My name is Saraí Espinosa and I am the founder of Dreamers Roadmap. Dreamers Roadmap is an app that I created out of a personal need. Being a dreamer myself and an undocumented student in the United States, I know how difficult it is to find financial resources to go to college. Dreamers Roadmap is going to be an app that helps undocumented students find scholarships to go to college if they desire. Many times we're told that we cannot go to college and get a higher education, and one of the first reasons that we believe that we cannot go is because of the lack of funding. Now in California, fortunately, there's a lot of money available for undocumented students to go to college. Dreamers Roadmap is going to be the premier tool for students to find scholarships to go to college if they want to. It's very difficult for undocumented students to find money because we're not permanent residents of the United States or citizens. We're asked for a social security number, which many of us don't have. And Dreamers Roadmap is going to have scholarships that don't require any of that. It'll save us a lot of time, and it'll give us the opportunity to have that hope that all the other residents and U.S. citizens have to go to college.